Hey, and welcome to the club! We are so excited to show you this January's Club Couture transfer. The You and Me transfer is perfect with its fun and playful styling as we come into this Valentine's Day season, or even to last you all year long. It fits perfectly on our 9x12 palette sign or any other 9x12 surface, and it is so easy to make. This month's Club Couture kit comes with everything you see here: the B-sized You and Me transfer and 3 paste single packs: Colonial Blue, Raspberry Sorbet, and Marvelous. I've gathered everything I need, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use my transfer trimmers to cut up the transfer along the provided cut lines. Starting with the large ampersand element, I'll remove the backer and stick it fuzzy side down on our fuzzing cloth to pick up some lint and ease the adhesive on the new transfer. This helps a new transfer not be as sticky and avoids stretching your design. Now I'll get it placed on my board. I'm putting it just below the center so there's room for the rest of the design. I'm making sure to smooth out my transfer and get it well pressed down so there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Now it's time for the paste. I'm prepping my Colonial Blue paste by kneading it to make sure it is nice and mixed, and then I'll tear open the packet and squeeze some into my color tray. Then I'll repeat with my Raspberry Sorbet and Marvelous paste as well so that I'm ready to go on my project. Feel free to add some water if your paste is feeling a little dry. This color palette is so perfect for a bright and beautiful project. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm loading up my small squeegee with some Colonial Blue paste, which is going to be so pretty on this white surface. I'm smoothing my paste across the screen of my transfer. I only need a thin layer, so a little bit of paste goes a long way. Once I've gotten all the screen area covered and I've removed any excess paste, I'm ready to peel. I'm careful to pull from the middle of the transfer to avoid stretching along the silk screen's bias. It is looking so good. Now I'm ready to add the You and Me transfer elements to my project. So repeating the process, I'll fuzz each piece and place them on the palette sign. I'm placing You just above the ampersand so that it hugs that top curve, and then I'll place Me in the space on the right hand side underneath the ampersand's crossbar. They fit in that space so perfectly. Then I'll load up my small squeegee once again with Colonial Blue and paste both words. I'll get it smoothed on, covering my screen, and remove any excess, and then peel up the transfers. Alright, now for some details. My last piece is this little heart element, which is so dainty and fun. I'm going to repeat this one a handful of times around the words. I've got it fuzzed and placed, and I'll chalk this with Raspberry Sorbet, and I'm going to repeat it again at the top of the design. This is adding a lovely pop of color. Okay, before I add some more hearts with my Marvelous paste, I need to wash my transfer. I have a water bath here and my board erasers, which makes cleanup so easy. Once I've got that screen cleaned up and dry, I'm ready to bring it back in. I'm pasting it 2 more times using our Marvelous paste. This is the perfect home decor pink, and it is a great complement to Colonial Blue and Raspberry Sorbet. I'm placing these hearts at different angles to create variety and interest in my design, and I'm so excited about how this is turning out. For my last 2 hearts, I'm going to use Colonial Blue. I've washed my transfer once again so that it's clean and ready to go. I'm going to place this 2 more times just to finish out the design, helping it feel playful and intentional. This is our last peel, and there it is! How cute is that? This is such a fun project to add to your Valentine's Day decor or keep up all year long. And don't forget to customize it however you like with colors, design accents, and surfaces. What's not to love about easy, custom, and cute home decor from Club Couture? Happy chalking!